Hi, this is Bomar. I'm giving you a tour of the tutorial for high fidelity. The reason I'm doing that is because it's sort of confusing when I went through it. So hopefully, if you watch this video, you'll see that there's some tips and tricks as to how you can move around and adjust stuff. I'm looking at this thing on my laptop, and here I'm going to test the Cox cable just to show you that this is, these conditions is that I've got a Cox cable modem coming into this laptop over Wi-Fi, and it should be more than enough processing, I mean, the internet network speed to do what we need to do. So I'm just trying the tutorial, installed it. There's another video that we have before this that explains how I installed it, what are the settings to install and all that. So I hope that you had watched that, so you get to this video. Okay, so we got 114, so it's just basically at the minimum that they need to be able to run this. Okay, so now we type in hi-fi after home, and it should then get recognized by high fidelity interface, and you'll open it up. I do the reset so that there's no funny business. This is as installed. You can also see how if you press this, the menu comes up on the side, so no matter where you are, you can still get to Wi-Fi. Now, one thing I like to do is to maximize the screen so that we're able to see all the stuff at the bottom edge, which is where all the notification of how much loading there still needs to be done. Now, I'm going to enter this as anonymous mode down here, the bottom right-hand corner, so I'm not even logged in. So you see here at the bottom, it says loading content. So it takes a while to load everything. Um, Now, okay, I'll wait for the girl to show up here. Um, oh, okay, so it'll load some stuff, but it's not able to keep
Welcome to
up.
High Fidelity, a metaverse built by people like you. Let's get started by learning to move.
So you notice the loading content's taking quite a while. Okay, the sound has come up, so we're sort of still in the middle of it. So then you ask, okay, how is it taking so long? Why is it there? Well, because it can't keep up. You want to know, like, okay, how much stuff needs to happen? So I found out that there's a statistics you can pull up. And if you click on one of the windows, it'll tell you how much more it needs to do. You see it's still pulling stuff up. There's 30 some pending, it's going down, all that. So while it's doing that, there are some settings you can change in order to get better performance, or actually lowering the requirements for the performance by going into developer mode. Uh, and then once that's available, go to render, and then turn down the level of detail, LOD, to this is the minimum. And as you slide it up, you're going to get more stuff coming out quicker. So you see here is two, we'll make it like half or something. That should be more than enough. So now you got more stuff. Now we can proceed with the tutorial. Um, okay, so you see here, we can make a left, make a right, go forward, come back, and so forth. Okay, so let's turn around and see what else is in here. So we have, notice in here that it's pulling in more stuff every time I touch the controls. Okay, so you see these big arrows? Let's just follow those for the rest of it. So each wall has a different exhibit and different parts that you need to look at.
In High Fidelity, you can reach out and grab stuff. Try grabbing the orange club in front of you.
Okay, so it's left instead of the right key. So left mouse, left down, and then you can pick it up. Okay, and so you pull it down towards you and farther up, and you should be able to back and forth swing it around and hit the boxes and so forth. Okay, oh, that was fun. All right, next exhibit. Okay, that's the next avatar. Now, as you can see here, the pending, you
In
look
the
at the
metaverse,
bottom.
you can be whatever you want to be. Pick one of these avatars for now, and later you can find even more in our marketplace.
Oh, good. So here's all the avatars.
Your HUD menu is always visible when standing still. It is your access point to go to new places, change your settings, or get new stuff from the marketplace. You can reposition the menu by dragging the handles on each end.
Now you notice this menu. I'm moving it. I'm holding it down on the left and right tabs. It can move up and down, but not left and right for some reason. I don't know why it's that, but anyway, that's all we could do. All right, next exhibit.
Your privacy bubble is disabled by default but can be enabled to protect your personal space. When it is enabled, other people will disappear if they get too close to you. You can enable or redisable it at any time in your HUD.
All right, bubble. And it makes a noise every time you go in and you see hear the little dots. Okay, oh, that's fun. All right, next.
There are so many places to explore in High Fidelity, and you can find them all in the Go To menu in your HUD. Or you can just use the teleporter on your right to go to a welcome area.
Okay. And you see this home thing that I highlighted? That takes you back to this tutorial. And then you can scroll back and forth, picking the one you want. You can also, you see here the names. You could sit there and you can also type in the domain address as well. Okay, enough of that. Okay, so I'm going to mute my thing here up on the top. So there's two ways to mute it. You can either do it at one of the so-called tablet buttons, or at the the upper left-hand corners where the microphone mute. So you see, you press it and it goes red. Okay. Next thing is it says make friends. It doesn't say that on the thing, but you have to press X to do this. You see how the arm's moving? So when you meet somebody, you hold the X down, and they do the same thing to you. And when the hands meet, you're friends, and it gets logged. Okay, so I'm going to go to the welcome section and show you how long it takes for it to render, so you can expect. Just walk into it.
I'm still shrinking.
Reset your modem and router. See if that works
Yeah,
because most of the white
I'm gonna
orb
have an
issues
attempt.
are
Yeah, I'll
most
have
of
an
the white
attempt
orb
to now.
issues.
Oh my god, there's
Okay.
a woodman!
I'll see you when I see you, I guess.
You're my brother. Oh my god, oh! Jump! Ugh.
That sounds like you just eaten a poo.
Jump from... I fell.
Your shoe's broken.
Oh no! Well, it's okay. I know how I can get better.
This man here is wearing tights like my mummy.
Okay? I'm the size of him!
I don't get how you're not. Are you editing your size in the avatar app, or what are you? Is it just
Yes.
viewing it? Cause, okay,
Yes,
well,
I'm
never
just...
mind then. Just messing with me then.
Where's my brother? My brother! Brother? Oh. I'm changing back.
Hello, Woodman.
Hello?
Oh,
Hello.
Hello, I need some help.
What can I help you with?
oh,
I need to find a body I need to find my head.
are you my friend?
What do you
I
mean?
need to
You
find
have
a head.
You have a head.
No, I mean a real life head. I have a cat head.
Are you the fox squirrel
Then
man?
change
Yes.
your avatar to a humanoid one.
I'll be right back. Hold on, brother.
Me?
Yes, you. I'll be right back.
Okay, I'll be right here. Hello, scary man.
Hello, brother. I am back.
Oh, I want that. Where do I get that?
Come on. Go on to your tab.
Yeah.
Press avatar.
Okay, the little man.
Yes, yes, the little man. And then press get more avatars.
Ooh, I can't see.
Then press body mark. The blue thing.
Can't.
Breathe. Don't die, my little friend. I think you need help, man.
Who does?
You. I think you need to find out how you're going to get big again.
You just go into the avatar app and the top right, the little 3 bars in that menu. If you click on that, you'll see the avatar size adjustment.
Okay.
I couldn't open the tablet yet, bro.
You can press the blue button that has the X1 on it, and it'll bring you back to your default avatar size.
Man! Oh, you! Yes, you! Timmy, come on. Let's go into a whole new world.
Oh, there's a woodman again. Hello,
Man, let's head to
woodman.
Mexico.
How many people do you need before it gives money?
I think like 3 or 4. Like 3 though.
Prepare for dawn. Alright, I'm ready. I'm scared.
I think we need a 4th person.
It says 4. Here we go. Got this little robot coming.